trails the leader, Fiona Mej. She leads with 6.94, the Italian, and Montalvo, whose best was 6 metres 88. Last throw of the dice for the Spaniard. The crowd's behind her. It looks like a big jump. It's going to be close. She needs more than 6.94. The white flag is in the air. And Montalvo, who married a Spaniard in 1998, Citizen in 99, and this looks like it will be over 7 metres. There's Fiona Mej. She's got one jump to come. If it's better than 6.94, Montalvo is in the lead, and that has got to be very close to a foul. Well, what drama in the long jump competition. If you touch the ground beyond the takeoff board, it's a foul. The white flag has gone up. We wait for the distance for Montalvo. She looks pretty happy, keeping us all in suspense. 6.94 she needs. Let's have a look at the shot on the board again. That has to be very close to a foul. Well, we've had dramas in the hurdles. We've got more here in the long jump, because that looks like the toenails of Montalvo are over the board. 7.06, she's in the lead. It's a national record. Mej has one jump left, and Montalvo just thinks about that because she's in the lead, but she has to wait.